Step 9. Perform on upgrade dry run. We highly recommend testing a method version upgrade on a duplicate of your production database before attempting the upgrade on your production database. To create a duplicate test instance, you can either restore your database from a recent snapshot or do a point in time restore of your database to its latest restorable time. In this session, we are going to upgrade the DB engine from 9.22 to 10.18, and then we can upgrade from 10.18 to 13.3 or 13.4. To upgrade the DB instance engine version, in the navigation pane, choose databases. In this page, choose the DB instance that you want to upgrade. In the connectivity and the security tab, you need to copy endpoint and port number. In the configuration tab, you need to copy master username and DB name. If DB name is not available here, you need to use Postgres. Postgres database is a default database for Postgresql DB instance. First, you need to log into your DB instance in the command prompt. Then you need to check the Postgresql version. Then you need to check the Postgresql DB instance engine version. After that, you need to check the extension version for this DB instance. You need to connect all databases one by one and run this command. And you need to check the extension version details. Then in the navigation pane, choose databases. In the database page, choose database that you want to upgrade. Then choose modify. In the modify DB instance page, in the settings section, for DB engine version, you need to choose 10.18. Then scroll down this page. The DB parameter group automatically selected for 10 version, and scroll down this page, choose continue. In the summary of modifications, you can validate current value and the new value. Scheduling of modifications, you can choose apply immediately, then choose modify DB instance. Now DB instance status is in upgrading state. It will take some time to upgrade the DB instance. Once it's done, we need to upgrade from 10.18 to 13.3 or 13.4. Now DB instance status is changed from upgrading to available state. We need to verify the database engine version from this console as well as the command prompt. Choose the database which is recently upgraded. In this page, in the configuration tab for DB engine version, now DB engine has been upgraded from 9.22 to 10.18. Then we need to connect the DB engine in the command prompt and run the select version command. Now we are seeing the Postgresql DB engine upgraded from 9.22 to 10.18. Now we need to upgrade the DB engine from 10.18 to 13.3 or 13.4. For upgrading your DB instance from 10.18 to 13.3 or 13.4, in this page, choose database that you want to upgrade and choose modify. In the modify DB instance page, for settings, for DB engine version, choose 13.4. Scroll down this page, choose continue. For summary of modifications, you can validate current value and the new value. For scheduling of modifications, choose apply immediately, then choose modify DB instance. Now DB instance status is in upgrading state. We need to wait for some time to complete the upgrade. Now DB instance status is changed from upgrading to available state. We need to verify the upgrading details from this database management console as well as command prompt. Choose this database. In this page, choose configuration tab. Scroll on this page. Now our DB engine version is changed from 10.18 to 13.4. Now we connected this DB instance in the command prompt. Now Postgresql DB instance is upgraded from 10.18 to 13.4. Extension version also upgraded. If you want, you can check the extension version before upgrading from 10.18 to 13.4. For renaming to replace an existing DB instance, you can refer next video in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and refer to your friends.